As many lords have said, rape is used as a weapon of war in many areas of conflict in the world. And one that I would like to draw the attention of the lords here is India, where in Kashmir, for the last 30 years, Armed Forces Special Power Act gives complete impunity to the armed forces, and there are reports from Amnesty International, UN Commission for Human Rights, and all the other human rights organizations that Indian Army is actually involved in sexual violence and rape. And may I just very quickly ask the Minister, in our free trade agreement with India, will you make sure that this impunity that Indian Armed Forces Special Power Act gives to Indian Army to do what they want, including rape in that area, will be discussed as a part of the free trade deal, and give the freedom of women to actually challenge those who are responsible for these draconian acts?